Think DIY car repairs are saving you money? Think again. One wrong move could turn a simple fix into a $5,000 disaster, and you won't even see it coming. From stripped bolts to fried electronics and even total engine failure, these are the 17 deadly mistakes that ruin cars and drain wallets. Before you lift the hood or grab that wrench, watch this video and learn what even seasoned DIYers get wrong. Mistake number 17: over or under tightening nuts and bolts. One of the easiest ways to mess up a DIY repair is by over-tightening or under-tightening bolts. It might seem harmless, but getting it wrong can lead to major problems, like a stripped oil drain plug, a cracked pan, or leaking coolant hoses. Under-tightening is just as risky. Loose fittings can cause fluid leaks or parts to fall off mid-drive. That's why every bolt has a specific torque spec. Ignore it, and you're gambling with your car's health. If you don't have a torque wrench, try the 3-squeak method. Tighten until you feel resistance, give it another push, squeak, and repeat 2 more times. It's not perfect, but it's safer than guessing. Still, a torque wrench is the gold standard for accuracy and peace of mind. Don't risk a small job turning into a huge repair. Mistake number 16: cross-threading nuts and bolts. Cross-threading happens when you force a nut or bolt onto threads that aren't properly aligned, and it's one of the most common slip-ups in DIY repairs. At first, it might seem like it's going on fine, but if the threads don't match or aren't lined up correctly, you'll end up grinding the metal, ruining the threads, and potentially locking the part in place permanently. This often leads to broken studs, stripped threads, or even damaged wheel hubs, repairs that can get expensive fast. It usually happens when bolts are rushed in by hand or power tools without checking alignment. The fix? Always start threading by hand and make sure the bolt turns smoothly. Never force it. Also, take the time to match thread sizes and label your nuts and bolts when removing parts. Just because 2 bolts look the same doesn't mean they fit the same. A few extra seconds of care can save you hours of frustration and a hefty repair bill. Mistake number 15: believing in universal parts. One of the biggest myths in DIY car repair is the idea that universal parts work on every vehicle. They don't. Even parts that look identical, like filters, gaskets, or sensors, can have tiny variations that make a big difference. Each make, model, and even year can have specific design requirements, and assuming a part will fit just because it looks close enough is a fast way to cause trouble. Using the wrong part can lead to poor performance, fluid leaks, system failures, or even void your warranty. That quick fix can turn into a costly repair, or worse, leave you stranded. Always check your car's exact make and model before buying replacement parts, and never trust a one-size-fits-all label. A few extra minutes of research will save you money, frustration, and a possible tow truck call. Mistake number 14: buying cheap aftermarket parts. It's tempting to grab the cheapest parts you can find, especially when you're trying to cut costs, but cheap aftermarket parts often come with hidden risks. They might look like a good deal up front, but they wear out faster, don't always fit properly, and can fail when you need them most. This is especially dangerous for critical components like timing belts or engine sensors, where failure can lead to complete engine destruction. Saving $40 on a timing belt sounds smart until it snaps and you're staring at a $4,000 repair bill. That's why sticking with OEM, original equipment manufacturer, is the smarter move. They're built for your car, tested for durability, and far more reliable in the long run. When it comes to your engine's health, don't gamble on the bargain bin. Invest in quality from the start. Mistake number 13: trusting online catalogs blindly. In today's world of AI-generated content and affiliate-driven websites, trusting online parts catalogs without double-checking can backfire badly. Many of these listings are focused more on selling you something than giving accurate, vehicle-specific info. You might end up with parts that almost fit, but not quite, leading to installation issues, system malfunctions, or even damage. Don't rely on a single source, especially when it comes to something as critical as your car. Always cross-check part numbers with your owner's manual, manufacturer's website, or trusted auto forums. If something doesn't feel right or you're not 100% sure, don't guess. Call a pro. A quick conversation with a knowledgeable mechanic can save you hours of frustration and a potentially expensive mistake. Mistake number 12: wrong jacking points. Lifting your car might seem simple, but using the wrong jacking points can cause serious damage or worse, injury. Every vehicle has designated jacking spots reinforced to handle the weight. If you place the jack on a random part of the frame, You risk bending critical components, damaging brake or fuel lines, or having the jack slip entirely. Many DIYers overlook this and end up cracking underbody panels or warping pinch welds, all because they didn't check the manual. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact jack points and never guess. Use a proper jack and always support the car with quality jack stands. Trusting the wrong spot could turn a basic tire change into a body shop visit or a trip to the ER. Mistake number 11, ignoring safety gear. Too many DIY mechanics think old clothes and a little caution are enough protection in the garage, but that mindset can lead to painful, even permanent injuries. Working on a car exposes you to sharp metal edges, toxic fluids, flying debris, and high heat. Without proper safety gear, you're gambling with your eyesight, skin, and more. Bare hands, that's a quick way to end up with cuts or chemical burns. No goggles? One stray metal shaving or splash of brake fluid could cost you your vision. At the very least, always wear gloves, safety goggles, a face shield when grinding or cutting, and closed-toe shoes. It's not just about protection. Staying safe also helps you work faster and with more confidence. Being prepared is the mark of a smart mechanic. Mistake number 10, skipping the scan tool. If you're serious about DIY car repair, skipping an OBD2 scan tool is a huge mistake. Think of it as your car's built-in diagnostic system that helps you pinpoint problems quickly instead of guessing blindly. While it's not 100% perfect, it provides essential data on engine codes, sensor readings, and electrical issues that manual inspection can easily miss. Using a scan tool saves you time, frustration, and costly trial and error repairs. For as little as $25 to $100, it gives you a clear starting point and helps verify if your fixes actually worked. Don't try to play detective without one. Investing in a scan tool is one of the smartest moves any DIY mechanic can make. Mistake number 9, poor battery handling. Handling your car battery without the right precautions is more dangerous than most DIYers realize. One common mistake is disconnecting the positive terminal first, which can cause sparks and even short circuits. The safe way is to always disconnect the negative terminal first. This breaks the circuit and reduces the risk of sparks. When reconnecting, reverse the process. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Also, don't forget to wear gloves. Battery acid can cause painful burns, and accidental sparks can lead to injuries or damage to your car's electrical system. Taking these simple steps protects both you and your vehicle, keeping battery work safe and hassle-free. Mistake number 8, cleaning with dish soap. It might seem harmless to grab some dish soap and water to clean car parts, but this common shortcut can actually cause more harm than good. Dish soap strips away the protective oils and coatings on components like spark plugs and metal surfaces, leaving them exposed to rust and corrosion. Even plain water can start this damaging process if used carelessly. Instead, always use cleaners specifically designed for automotive parts. These products clean effectively without stripping away vital protections. Using the right cleaner helps keep your car's components in top shape and prevents costly damage down the road. So, save the dish soap for the kitchen and stick to automotive-approved products when working on your car. Mistake number 7, mixing or reusing old fluids. Fluids like engine oil and transmission fluid aren't meant to last forever. Over time, they degrade, lose their protective properties, and can even become contaminated. Using leftover fluids from previous changes or mixing different types can cause serious problems, everything from reduced performance to severe internal damage. Each vehicle requires specific fluid types and grades, carefully designed for its systems. Ignoring your manufacturer's specs and using the wrong or old fluids can lead to costly repairs. Always check your owner's manual and use fresh, correct fluids every time. It's a small step that protects your engine and transmission for the long haul. Mistake number 6, working in a dirty environment. Here's a hard truth: dirt kills engines. If you're working on your car in a messy garage or letting dust, debris, or greasy tools come near delicate parts, you're asking for trouble. Even tiny bits of grime can cause corrosion, contamination, and premature wear on parts like spark plugs, timing belts, or engine internals. That quick job can turn into a costly repair if you're not careful. A clean work area isn't just nice, it's necessary. Always use clean rags, lay down paper or plastic liners, and keep your parts organized and covered. And when you're handling sensitive components, treat them like surgical tools. One speck of dirt in the wrong place can wreck your engine faster than you think. Mistake number 5, Ignoring worn seals and gaskets. They might be small, but seals and gaskets are doing some of the hardest work under your hood. These little parts keep fluids where they belong and prevent air or pressure leaks in critical systems. Ignore them and you're in for a world of problems: oil leaks, coolant loss, overheating, and even catastrophic engine damage. And here's the kicker. Most people don't notice a failing gasket until it's too late, when that tiny part causes a $3,500 plus repair. So don't wait for a puddle under your car. If you see moisture, smell burning oil, or notice performance issues, check those seals and gaskets. Replace them early, because prevention is way cheaper than engine surgery. Mistake number 4, overestimating your skills. We all love a good DIY moment, but cars aren't IKEA furniture. Today's vehicles are packed with complex systems, especially the electrical and fuel systems, where one wrong move can mean serious damage or even danger. Just because a part is easy to reach doesn't mean it's easy to fix. In fact, many manufacturers color code components, basic stuff for anyone, and the do not touch zones meant for trained pros. If you're not 100% sure what you're doing, don't guess. Ask a professional. There's no shame in getting help. The cost of a mechanic is nothing compared to frying your ECU or triggering a fuel leak. Know your limits. Tackle what you can, but call in the pros when it counts. Mistake number 3, reusing old parts. Trying to save a few bucks by reusing old parts? That shortcut could cost you big. Parts like brake pads, belts, and spark plugs wear out faster than you think. Even if they look okay, they could already be losing performance, and that means reduced safety, poor engine function, or sudden breakdowns. Sure, reusing parts might save you a few pennies today, but it often leads to hundreds or even thousands in repairs tomorrow. When it comes to critical components, don't gamble. Always replace worn parts with new, quality replacements whenever possible. Your car and your wallet will thank you in the long run. Mistake number 2, using cheap tools. Bad tools don't just make the job harder, they can wreck your car or even injure you. Cheap, low-quality tools often lead to stripped bolts, broken fasteners, bad readings, and a whole lot of frustration. And when you're halfway into a repair and your wrench snaps or your voltmeter gives the wrong signal, that's more than annoying, it's dangerous. Instead, invest in quality gear, especially the essentials like torque wrenches, a reliable voltmeter, and a good impact wrench. These aren't just tools, they're your safety net. Yes, quality tools cost more upfront, but they pay for themselves by getting the job done right the first time and saving you from expensive mistakes down the line. Mistake number 1, ignoring the owner's manual. Think the car manual is just a boring booklet collecting dust in your glove box? Think again. It's actually the most underrated tool you have. From the correct tire pressure and oil specs to torque values and maintenance intervals, it holds the exact information your specific car needs to run right. Skipping the manual means relying on guesswork, or worse, bad advice from the internet. And that leads to wrong fluids, incorrect part replacements, and expensive mistakes. Don't assume. Read the manual. It's like having a direct line to the engineers who built your car, and it can save you thousands over the life of your vehicle. And there you have it, 17 common car maintenance mistakes that could quietly destroy your vehicle over time. Some of these seem small, but trust me, they can lead to massive repair bills if ignored. So whether you're a weekend DIYer or just want to keep your car running smoothly, avoid these traps and treat your car right. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car care tips, and let us know in the comments, which mistake have you made before? Be honest, we've all been there. Until next time, drive smart, stay safe, and keep wrenching.